Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Fortnite VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one to fix your kick issues during Fortnite sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to preventing Fortnite kicks? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get kicked from a Fortnite match with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you play on or your connection details. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for fixing kicks in Fortnite. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Fortnite kick fixes because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot. A major plus for privacy and stopping leaks that cause kicks. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of tracker scams or fake V-Buck offers, reducing interruptions. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure custom game lobby. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, console, and phone all at once to keep your Fortnite sessions stable across devices. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any techie Fortnite player can check their code for backdoors that might cause connectivity issues. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test, which means better trust to avoid kicks. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce, it owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you and fewer unexpected disconnects in Fortnite. And for any Fortnite player dealing with laggy servers, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping, which can sometimes affect connection stability. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for fixing Fortnite kicks? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag, fewer disconnects, and smoother gameplay. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping that can spike depending on the server you pick, which might cause kicks. So, which VPN should you choose to stop Fortnite kicks? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low ping and connection stability are your top priorities, and you can't stand lagging or getting kicked during Fortnite matches. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of gadgets or a whole household of Fortnite players. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value for uninterrupted gaming. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Fortnite player who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record make it reliable for consistent Fortnite access. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running to fix your Fortnite kicks. See you soon.